Hey, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2016 Sea Ray 40 Flybridge. Stepping on board the boat, this boat is equipped with the optional swim platform. There's chalks that go there for a dinghy, but great option, high dollar option to have, whether you're using it for the dinghy or just anchored up and making it your own little beach for the kids to play and swim in the water. It is a really nice feature. See, you got a summer kitchen here, grill, sink. There's some storage down below, and over in that compartment is where your shore power hookup is. To the right of that, it's a cockpit shower, hot and cold water, and there's also the controls for the 50 amp Glendinning power cord. Got the salon door opened up, and you can see this makes this whole area open, airy, and great for entertaining. Slow down a bit here and try to give y'all a boat is in excellent condition. Woodwork looks great. Spin around TV, love seat, table's in great shape. These all have canvas covers on them, stay out of the elements. Galley 2-burner stove, microwave, convection oven, refrigerator, freezer, solid surface countertop. Being a Flybridge, you still have the same lower helm that a 40 Dancer would, but I'm going to jump upstairs here shortly after showing you the inside and show you where this boat's really set apart from others. You can see this boat is equipped with a sounder. We're sitting in 6 feet of water here. Got radar, chart plotter, engine information displayed. Guys, another awesome feature with this boat is it is equipped with inboard motors that's linked to the bow and stern thruster for joystick control. So you've got the ease of maintenance with standard inboards, but the maneuverability of a joystick feature. It's one of my favorite boats for that reason. That and it's a good running boat with the engine package, but then you have the low maintenance of a standard inboard boat, and it was just a great boat. It is a great boat, was a great boat Sea Ray built. So stepping forward, this is going to be your VIP berth. And the reason that I say that, the other room is probably slightly larger, but this has a second stateroom head. And stand-up shower, acrylic door, nice basin, tile, vacuum flush heads, hanging locker, starboard, spin around, show you, get a good view of these windows. Awesome natural light. I've got the shade pulled on the hatch just to keep the lighting as best as I can get it on this video, but another hanging locker there. You got snap-in, umbrella fabric on the floors. Same thing here. The starboard is going to be your second head. That's right. It's a 40-foot boat, 2 staterooms, 2 heads, and huge advantage of that is all your guests are coming to use this particular bathroom and not going into yours. Same shower setup, hard acrylic door, in and out. Stepping down into the mid stateroom, you can see this boat does have the berth to port. Sitting on top of that, owner just got back from a trip to Florida, but he's got brand new spare props that are going to be going with the boat. Another one there, a little cradle set up, that's where they rode. But check out this berth down here. That does slide apart, so you can have 3 single berths in this room, or a double and a single. Spin around here. Fabric's in great shape. No unusual odors or anything strange going on with this boat. It is in really, really nice shape. There's the vacuum system controls there. Another hanging locker here with your vacuum info. I mean your vacuum hoses and controls and whatnot. Again, guys, taking a look at that guest head. Here's another shot of the master. Large island berth, and then this is the separate head. And then walking back out up the stairs into the galley, and get a better shot of the woodwork. This door's opened up. Great open area. Just awesome to be able to open all this up and have it flow nicely and be able to entertain together. Captain's chair with companion seat. And then again, there's your joystick, throttles, trim tabs forward, start and stop on the motor, controls, got the electronics pulled up for you. This area does have a canvas enclosure or canvas cover that snaps over to keep the elements out. Opening window if you are running down here and want to communicate. Walking back, gonna run up another shot of that swim platform for you, and then we're gonna step up the stairs to the flybridge area. So up here, looking at our electronics again, same radar, sounder, chart plotter, but it's also equipped with 4 cameras. You've got a port side, so we can get a shot of that. Scroll down, engine room camera, then there's your aft facing camera, and then starboard side. Bridge TV, refrigerator, sink, wet bar area. Again, nice table up here in great condition. Guys, this boat's a 16. It shows very well. I've seen a lot of these tables that are not holding up to the elements very well, and all the woodwork on this boat is and upholstery is in extremely good shape. Canvas is in good shape. Guys, this is a nice boat. 2016 40 fly. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Give me a call with any questions you have. Best way to reach me is my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Look forward to catching up soon. Thanks. Bye.